Every Enterprise.NET application rebuilds the same plumbing: authentication, logging, configuration, dependency wiring, and more. Thousands of lines that have nothing to do with your business. Projects start the same way. A senior developer, or today an AI coding agent, wires up the foundation: identity, logging, configuration, dependency injection. Weeks of work that produce something subtly different every time. Every team does it differently. Every agent does it differently. Audit findings pile up. And the code that's supposed to ship your product becomes the code maintaining your plumbing. Here's the new problem. AI coding agents now write the same plumbing in minutes instead of weeks, faster than ever. But the patterns each agent picks, for identity, for logging, for service registration, are still slightly different every time. Speed without consistency is just faster drift. Take identity. Vanilla.NET means JWT setup, password hashing, refresh tokens, lockout, capability claims, 340 lines before you've authenticated a single user. Riptide gives you one registration call and one attribute, 12 lines total. 3 deployment modes are built in: self-contained, single sign-on, or application manager, capability-based authorization, audit hooks, switch modes with configuration, no code change. Logging is the same story: structured output, correlation tracking, PII masking, a sync that talks to Datadog, 180 lines of careful work, easy to get wrong. 4 lines with Riptide, PII patterns masked by default. Correlation IDs flow through every request automatically, and every service in your stack writes the same structured shape. Configuration and secrets are where most teams stop short of right. Multiple providers, secret rotation, hot reload. Riptide ships all of it. Point the same code at a local file, Azure Key Vault, or application manager. Failover handled. Reload handled. Your developers don't write the secret management code. They never see it. Service registration is death by 1,000 ad-scoped calls. Riptide flips it. You declare what each class is with an attribute. The framework finds them. One registration call, one assembly scan, every service wired. New service? 1 line. No registration ceremony. Multi-tenant SaaS is where most enterprise apps spring a leak. One missed where clause and one customer sees another customer's data. Riptide makes tenant isolation a property of the request, not something every developer has to remember. One attribute on the class. The framework filters every query, scopes every log line, isolates every metric. Remember the AI agent problem from earlier? Riptide ships skill files designed for coding agents: Claude, GitHub Copilot, Cursor, with the middleware order, registration sequences, and architecture patterns baked in. Every agent on your team starts from the same correct answer. The patterns don't drift, they converge. Across the 4 code reduction components we just walked through, we have 662 lines of foundational code replaced by 22. But the bigger win is composition. The components share context. One log line includes the user, the tenant, and the request ID automatically, because identity, logging, and tenant isolation know about each other. Pick the components you need. Use one. Use all 11. They compose. The Riptide Platform SDK ships as a single download. NuGet packages for every component, complete documentation, and ready-to-run sample applications. Built for .NET 8 and up. Built for AI-assisted teams. Learn more at riptide.solutions/platform.